How you doing? Scotty Bear back with another video. Back to the Nevada unemployment problem. Dialing for dollars. That's right, buddy. We are dialing for dollars. Is the queue already full at 9 or 8:10 a.m.? Jesus fuck. I've been calling a little bit, trying to get through here with all these people, trying to win the unemployment phone call lottery. Yep, that's it. 1,000 calls yesterday. What the fuck? They need a better manager over there. They need to pick up the phone, establish the number. If your number is 100,000, da 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 da, that's your number. I mean, the guy that comes in behind you, it's just become a stampede at this point. The Job Connect, the bad unemployment gave up some 73 calls. I doubt at least a couple hundred. March. Yeah, I'm the same way. I've gotten through once to the help desk. I'm surprised the news media hasn't picked this up. I bet the news is pretty friendly to like the police and stuff. They should be picking this up. We'd be all over it. When actually the governor should be on it. Spam. Let's see. Game ridiculous now in a month. Yeah, too many people. They're not doing a good job. The governor, man, I'm voting for anybody else. This guy, I'd be jumping down these people's neck. Actually, not the people's neck, just the director. You'd fire him immediately. Like I said, that this is being managed poorly. And let's see what. It's interesting to see what these guys are posting. They have let's see here. Where is there? Oh, there. The DETR Connect. They have posted me things like they have another number that's completely worthless. This number here is they can't do shit for you. It's just a general question. Another one the day shows down April 15th. Same new number, web notice, unemployment website has not crashed. No, it absolutely has crashed. Their website has been horrible. It's something from the fucking 80s. It's slowing down. It's crashed every single page I opened. Every single page. Notice the claimant. Right information. Actually, it's kind of, when I did get through, there was all these little skits, or I'm not sure even what they're called, but there are all these little skits where they were saying, oh, no, Johnny, you can't apply for unemployment while you're in jail and shit. And yeah, it was actually kind of weird calling these idiots. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video. Hopefully you're not dealing with these situations. To have a good day.